welcome back to my channel. All right, I am so excited, you guys. I have been dying to bust into this box. So, what is in this box, you ask? It's a gift sent to me by my Galentine. If you want to see what my Galentine sent to me, stick around. All right, guys, so 5 of us in this group decided to do a Galentine gift to each other. All right, guys, so there are 5 of us in this group. It is Dawn, Eva, Winnie, CAMI, and myself. So we all exchanged Galentine gifts. So I'm going to open that up today. This has been up here probably over a week. It feels like forever. And I've been dying to bust into this box. It's got hearts all over it. I'm going to hide my address. It's got hearts all over it. It says Happy Galentine's Day, Fragile, written all around the box. So I am dying to see what's in this box, you guys. Now, once you watch my video, I need you to go over to Dawn, Winnie, Eva, and CAMI and go see what their Galentine got them. So this is an exciting, fun video, and I thought you guys would really enjoy this, or we thought you guys would really enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and bust open this box. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Let me get my killer knife. Now, my Galentine is Eva Floyd, and I couldn't have a better Galentine. I was just thrilled that she got my name. She has such great taste. She's such a classy bad girl. Yes, she's a bad girl, you guys, but she's a classy bad girl. You know what I mean? We love Eva. I'm so happy and thankful that I got the opportunity to meet her last year. Eva, you're just the best. And she's quite the daredevil, you guys. We always make jokes because Dawn was taking off in the car. We were going shopping, and Eva, I think Dawn thought, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Dawn thought that Eva was already in the car and the car was moving. So Eva came running up to the car and jumped in the car while Dawn was backing out. She's a bad girl, I'm telling you. She fits in our group beautifully. Now there is another group of our friends that I don't know who all is in the group that's doing Galentine. I know Dee Dee Bean, Melissa from Melissa's Corner. There's quite a few of them, so you may be seeing a few of these videos. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. So it says, Yota, read this first. All right. With a smiley face. Okay. Should I read it out loud? Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm going to, because it just shows you what a sweetheart she is. Yota, I'm so thankful for our friendship. I know you are still in so much pain after your mom died, and I'm praying for you. Sending light, love, and peace. Love, Eva. Directions. Open in order as marked on packages. Then look back here after each one for notes. P.S. You will need scissors. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to turn off the phone and run in my studio and grab some scissors. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I went and got some scissors, and she has it packaged up really nicely. All right, I'll open the paper. She has, wow. Okay, so okay, that's number 3. Oh, wow. What is this, Christmas? Okay. All right, here is, oh my goodness. Here is number 1. How cute. Oh my gosh. Little heart stickers. Okay, so number 1. I remember you showed a Peanuts case and sang, and the saying says it all. Okay. All right. I'm so excited. I just adore you, Eva. You're so, so sweet. And Keith and I are going to do a road trip at some point, hopefully this summer, go up to see my cousin that lives in Dayton. And I told Eva that we will stop off in Cincinnati and hopefully have dinner with them. And I would give you plenty of warning. All right. Oh, okay. I like it already. I don't even have it open. I love it. Oh, life is better with friends. Oh, that is so cute. I love the Peanuts gang. I do. I have been a huge fan of the Peanuts gang ever since I was a little girl, and I love it. I also collect the Jim Shore's Peanuts gang, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is going in my studio, or it could go in here. I don't know, but I love it. So cute. Look at that. Little Snoopy giving Charlie a hug. Oh, okay. I love it. Okay. Now, number 2. Buckeyes are an Ohio favorite. You do a great job packing up. Okay. Here's number 2. Okay. Number 2. How fun. Eva, you're just the best. Okay. This is so fun. I think this was Dawn's idea to do this. So kudos to Dawn. She was kind of in charge of this whole thing. And I believe Autumn, she had the opportunity, I think, but she's just been so busy. Oh my gosh. Goodies. Oh my gosh. Okay. Marcia's homemade Buckeyes. I've never had Buckeyes. I'm so excited. Anything chocolate, Eva. Anything chocolate. Cuddly Cutie. A yummy chocolatey candy. I'm going to hide these from Keith and Evan, okay? Because they're mine. Thank you so much. I love it. So yeah, number 2, Buckeyes are an Ohio favorite. Okay, number 3, some small items to pamper yourself. Plus, I know you've been crying a lot lately, so extra love for your eyes. Oh, Eva, I've been crying a lot today, and this has just made me so happy. I actually went over to my mom's today just to check things out, and it's hard, you guys. She's so thoughtful, Eva. Okay, number 3. How fun. I love it. You know, we all say this. The best part about YouTube is making friendships. Other YouTubers, subscribers, and it's the best part. I never really knew this would happen. I didn't know what would happen, actually. Oh, I love it. Okay, so we've got some organic lip balm. I'm really into organic stuff. I eat as much organic food as I can. Oh my gosh, I love that. So there's some organic lip balms. Pomegranate, one of my favorites. Key lime, my favorite. And honey butter, yum. So great, that is great. Oh, I love this. Another pomegranate, okay, pomegranate eye mask. I love stuff like this. Thank you so much, because I do. I cry all the time, you guys. I'm not gonna deny it. Watermelon eye mask and caffeine eye mask. I love it. I love things like this. It's so fun. And then, what is this? Blue Sandalwood Power Mist. So this, oh, it's a hydrating hand sanitizer. And I was running out. So I needed that. And I love it because it's thin. And it fit very easily in my bag, okay? Oh, Eva, thank you so much. There's nothing like pampering yourself, you know? And I love this. Okay. I really love these. All right. All right. Woo! Okay. Number 4. I'm excited. So this is... Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, number 4. It's something to read with my little baby Drew. I love all the stickers. I love stickers. Okay. This is the most fun I've had all week. I'm not kidding. Okay. Oh, how thoughtful. Oh, I love it. Oh. Yes, I will read this to baby Drew tomorrow. Oh my gosh, so it's by the artist Charlie Harper, Cincinnati-based artist. And the card is by Charlie Harper. And then the book, Charlie Harper's Count the Birds. Oh, this is wonderful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you, Eva. That's fabulous. Count the Birds. Oh, and then all his artwork in here. It's beautiful. What a beautiful book. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm going to have to definitely look up this artist. All right. Ooh, it's so exciting. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, number 5. Because art, oh no. Okay, number 5. Because art and owls, that's you. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, okay. Wait, here's number 5. Wait, number 5. Because art and owls, that's you. This is heavy. This must be the fragile item. I got a little ahead of myself. Okay, how fun. Eva, you just made this so much fun for me. I needed this pick-me-up. Oh, what is it? All right. Oh my gosh. More by Charlie Harper. Do you guys have a fabulous art museum there with his art in it by any chance? I'm excited to learn about a new artist too. I love this. Yes. Okay, Charlie Harper. Coaster Stone. How nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad they made it in one piece, but she had everything wrapped up just perfectly. All right. I don't even want to tear the box. Oh, how pretty. Oh, okay. Let me get these out and let's look at these beautiful coasters. I love coasters. Okay. Wow, they're in there. Okay. I'm going to have to tear that. All right. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. It's whimsical. Whimsical. Charlie Harper. Oh, look at this one. I do love owls. You know what? These would be pretty up on little easels. I might go to Hobby Lobby and get some of those little easels and put them up on my shelf. I love these. Oh, look at this one. Oh, Eva, you couldn't have got me anything more exciting. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, look at those little hootie owls. Thank you so much. I love all this so much. Thank you, sweet Eva. My goodness. Okay. And then it says, okay, number 5. Okay, I already read that. Oh, it says last item, the little bag for the commission. Yes, Eva wants me to paint a bag for her. So she's commissioned me to paint a bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Yes. And we have a little micro Birkin. So we'll have to talk a little bit more before I get started on it. I can come up with an idea, or if you have an idea, or we can just collab on it. But look at that little Birkin. How adorable. Yeah, she was with Dawn and me. This is the one you got at that little consignment shop, I believe. So, oh my gosh, that's going to be adorable and so much fun to paint on. It's a beautiful color too. So thank you so much, Eva, for my Galentine's gifts. I love everything. I love everything you got me. So fun, and you just made my day. You really did. You made me smile, you made me happy, and that's what girlfriends are all about. And so you guys be sure and go over to my friends, Dawn, Eva, CAMI, and Winnie, and see what their Galentine got them. I am absolutely thrilled with my gifts. Thank you so much, Eva, and thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you again very soon. Peace.